Day 6 Body Progressive. Hey, GlowFit family! Welcome to Day 6 of your journey to becoming your best self. Today, we're diving into a progressive bodyweight workout that builds intensity step by step. Whether you're just starting or you're a fitness pro, this session has something for everyone. To get the best results, place your device laptop, mobile, or tablet in front of you and follow along with us. This way, you can stay engaged, perform each move correctly. So let's get started. Easy level. We'll kick off with the easy level. Perform each exercise for 20 seconds and take a 10-second rest after every move. This is perfect for warming up and getting your body moving. 1. Push up. Place your hands shoulder width apart and lower your chest to the ground, then push back up. Keep your core tight. Tip: focus on form over speed to activate your chest and arm muscles effectively. Perform this exercise for 20 seconds and take a 10-second rest before the next exercise. Rest for 10 seconds. Two, squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, lower into a squat, and rise back up. Keep your knees aligned with your toes. Tip: keep your chest up and avoid leaning forward for better posture. Exercise for 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Three, burpees. Start standing, drop into a plank position, do a push-up, jump back to standing, and finish with a jump. Tip: land softly to protect your knees and keep your energy flowing. Exercise for 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Four, leg raises. Lie on your back with your legs straight. Lift them up to a 90-degree angle and lower them slowly. Tip: engage your core throughout to avoid straining your lower back. Exercise for 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Five, lunges. Step 1 foot forward. Lower your body until both knees are at a 90-degree angle, then switch legs. Tip: keep your upper body straight and your movements controlled for balance. Exercise for 20 seconds. Great work! Now take a 30-second rest, grab some water, and get ready for the normal level. normal level. Let's take it up a notch. Perform each exercise for 30 seconds, followed by a 10-second rest. This level is designed to challenge your strength and endurance. 1. Push-up plus clap, and as you push up, clap your hands before landing back in the push-up position. Tip: focus on power and timing for that explosive clap. Perform this exercise for 30 seconds and take a 10-second rest before the next exercise. Rest for 10 seconds. Two, sumo squats. Stand with feet wider than shoulder width apart and toes pointing outward. Lower into a squat, then return to standing. Tip: keep your knees aligned with your toes to protect your joints. Exercise for 30 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Three, butt kicker. Run in place, kicking your heels toward your glutes. Tip: swing your arms to keep your momentum going. Exercise for 30 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Four, leg raises. Same as before, but slow down the lowering phase for added difficulty. Tip: control your breathing. Inhale as you lower your legs and exhale as you lift. Exercise for 30 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Five, split lunges. Start in a lunge position, then jump to switch legs in midair. Tip: use your arms to help with balance and power. Exercise for 30 seconds. Wow, you crushed it! Take a 45-second rest and hydrate before we move to the hard level. hard level. All right, GlowFit family, this is where we push beyond our limits. Perform this exercise for 45 seconds with a 10-second rest. Get ready to feel the burn and unleash your inner beast. 1 push-up plus clap. Add explosive energy to each push-up with a solid clap at the top. Tip: keep your movements controlled to prevent injury during this advanced move. Perform this exercise for 45 seconds and take a 10-second rest before the next exercise. Rest for 10 seconds. Two, jump squat. Lower into a squat and explode upward into a jump. Land softly and repeat. Tip: engage your core to maintain balance and stability. Perform this exercise for 45 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Three, mountain climbers. Start in a plank position and drive your knees toward your chest in a running motion. Tip: keep your hips low to ensure maximum core engagement. Perform this exercise for 45 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. Four, leg raises. Maintain a steady pace and aim for slow, controlled movements for a deeper burn. Tip: place your hands under your hips for additional support if needed. Perform this exercise for 45 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds. 5. Split lunges. Perform explosive lunges, jumping and switching legs with every rep. Tip: land lightly and keep your movements smooth for efficiency. Perform this exercise for 45 seconds. Fantastic effort, GlowFit family! You've just conquered all 3 levels of the body progressive workout. Don't forget to cool down, stay hydrated, and get ready for another exciting day tomorrow. Share your progress in the comments and let us know how you're feeling. Keep glowing, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video. You're amazing, GlowFit family!